Hi friends, I am Anshit Tiwari. Today in the 10th class civics, the running lesson political parties. Today in the lesson we will discuss the last and second last video lecture, the reforms and sedition of the political parties. Student, in the last lectures we have studied about the different type of the national and political parties, and in the same lesson we study also the different type of the shortcomings, the defections in the parties. Means many kind of the problems which we have discussed, and these four major problems of the political parties as a challenges we have studied in the last video lectures. So today we will see what kind of the possibilities to reform the political parties and what kind of the good suggestions which can increase the level of the political parties, because in India there are the big scope of the political parties, and daily you have listened that a different type of the peoples from the same parties, they were not very happy with the parties, so they have decided to launch or form the parties. So this is the routine seen in our Indian politics. Whenever any person who is not agree with the political ideology, so he just immediately separate from the party, or sometime he has been removed from the party, so he can take the decision to make the parties own himself. This is the way the political parties, there is a kind of big market of the political parties we can see in the country. So we have to maintain the quality wise good political parties. Means we have to maintain their good qualities of the political parties, so that the citizens, the voters, they should not be kind of bothers, or they should not be any kind of the irritations while they are choosing their political parties in the time of elections. Because when the voters they choose their political parties, so they become confused, and sometimes many of the problems they have to face. So in the first we will see what the challenges we have studied, such as the internal democracy which has not been found in the democracies, then money and muscle power, then dynastic succession, then meaningful choice. These were the four challenges of the political parties, and we have studied very thoroughly. Now we will see what kind of the possibilities to reform the political party. Reform means we will just see it as a measures which has been taken from the different institution, different organs to reform the political parties. Let's we see one by one. In the first, defects call for wide reforms for improvement in the parties or the party system. Because whatever we have to reform the party or the party system, whatever, this is the same thing, because party system where the party is also there. So in the first, anti-defection laws. Anti-defection laws means it is a very common features which has been seen in the countries time to time. You have listen, so many members of the different parties, such as they had left the parties and they joined the new party. Even you have listened from these routine scenario between the Congress and the BJP party, and so many other regional and state and national parties, where any disagree member of the party, they can decide to leave the party. Sometimes they can be removed from the parties. So this is the kind of way, this is the kind of defection in the party. Means a changing of the member from one to another parties. This is the kind of defection. Defection means they do not nourish the kind of meaningful choice between the parties or among the parties. Means when the voters who go to the casting the vote, so he become confused which parties he should choose to just casting the vote, because when he decide to just casting the vote, so he become confused due to the person who is remaining in the last parties, but the party which is going to cast by the voters become confused, because the same person who was in the last parties in the Congress party or in the BJP party, now the same person has reached into the another party, the party which is going to be cast by the voters. So that is the kind of defection. When the defection are there in the parties, so it can just will say dead the all kind of the democratic skills which has been remain in the parties, because a person who is having its own ideology, not the party's ideology, and the voters will recognize that person only by that face of the person, not the party, because parties they launch their, we will say, different type of the faces among the voters, so that the voters have the kind of some you will say simplicity to choose their voters. And even sometimes the Election Commission has given the provision for the symbols of the party, for the flag of the parties, but mostly the times in Indian there is a tendency in India, because the voters they just cast their vote to the parties only the face of the person, not the symbol of the, because sometimes this tendency was seen before 30 years or 40 years, when the voters they go to the election you will say area where the booth you will say are there, of the election booth are there. So when they reach there, so they just choose the parties only by the symbols, because they have not any kind of the will say big network for the will say introduction of the different people who are just contesting the elections. But nowadays this tendency has become totally changed, because this is the you will say personalized you'll say political party system, because the person become very important. So nowadays there is a kind of laws which can make the kind of this remove you will say migration of the people from one party to another party, fear to lose a seat in case of changing the parties. And there should be the kind of fear from the anti-defection law. If the person who will change the party, then he will lose the seat in case of changing the parties. Means if there is the fearness, if there is any kind of the threatness from the government, from the any kind of the institution or the organs, so there will be the kind of break of the changing of the person from one party to another party. Second, reforms file an affidavit. File an affidavit means when a person who is going to contesting the election, so there was not very proper you will say provision from the person, that he was not able to give the any kind of information. But after the affidavit which has been passed from the you will say different organs, so they have given the kind of you will say restriction for the contesting people who is going to contesting the election. So there is a kind of pressure to give the details of the property, assets as well as criminal cases pending against him. Means he cannot you will say hide any information about himself. If any information which has been found later, so the cases will be you will say run in the you will say courts, and there will be the kind of judgment, and where the person's contested elections steps can be breakdown. And third one, restriction from the Election Commission. Election Commission can also restricted over the such members, those who are contesting the elections, because these kind of the you will say control on the organization elections as well as file their income tax return. When the Election Commission you will say restricted this type of the you will say steps, so there is a kind of fear among the political parties members. So in the first they will file the income tax, and they also hold the elections in a very organization's way, because when the elections are not going according to the democratic pattern, then obviously there will be the kind of fearness, kind of the possibilities of the elections on the basis of money and muscle power, where the elections can become only the kind of formalities, not the kind of responsibility for the bringing of the democracies. So these are the some reforms. Now we will see some suggestions. Suggestions means some you will say advices which can be generated within the people of the country, within the organization of the country, within the organs of the country. So we will see these suggestions. because these suggestions, if they are implemented, if they are just formalized among the people, so obviously the reform can be seen in the parties, reform can be seen within the party system. Then number one is regulations of the laws. If the regulations of the laws are there, so the internal affairs should not be left over the political parties, it must be regulated by the laws. Suppose I have told you the challenges, internal democracies, missing of the internal democracies in the party, within the parties. If the parties, they, because mostly the parties, they do not organize the internal elections, they do not organize any kind of the meetings within the party members, they do not I will say maintain the registration of the member, they do not maintain the register the name of the members or the, you will say, active members of the party. So this type of the, you will say, decision should not be left over the political party leaders, political parties members. These decisions must be checked by the government or any kind of the machinery, maybe the election commission, so that all the political parties should be remain in the uniformal you will say behavior. Means there should be the changes which will be seen very, you will say, evenly among the all political parties, so that it will be the kind of a good scenario of the political party system. Next one, control of the government on the election expenses. When any political parties which you will say contest the elections, though there are different type of the ways to use the money, such as funding, such as donations, such as many of the other ways, but there should be the control on the government of the election commission on the political parties the using the money, because when the fund will be given by the government to the election or the election commission to the political parties, so there will be the kind of eyes of the laws of the government on the political parties. Means certain type of the money has been given to the all the political parties, and this allotment of the money should be, you will say, based on the last performance of the political parties. If there any party which do not you will say perform the well, you will say function in the party well, you will say kind of good decision, or the number of members which have not been elected by the parties, so this type of the allotment of the money should be controlled by the government. Because if these decisions are controlled, are under the government, are under the election commission, so the misusing of the money will be stopped forever. Because these political parties leader, they uses this money from the donation, from the funding, and even present time the different way of the, you will say, depositing of the money from the people of the country to the, you will say, political parties, such as these you will say money can be seen as a kind of a depositing money from the on the name of elector ballot or the kind of any way. Next one, the mandatory on the women first 1/3 reservation. Means there should be the control of the each party, that they should provide the, they should allocate the 1/3 seat to the party, you will say, women in the party, within the parties, and there should be also the quota system should be organized by the party as in the government. Means 1/3 seat should be reserved for the women for the different type of the organs in the party, within the parties, so that it can also encourage the women's status in the within party. Next one, pressure through. Means in on the political parties any pressure has not been seen, that's why they are just misusing the government machineries, and they are befooling the people of country also, such as these pressure can be put from the petitions. Means any kind of the petitions, if the, you will say, responsible citizens have given the kind of freedom to file any kind of the petitions against the any kind of the political parties, whatever it may be, the central level, state level, or the local level. Next one, the publicity. Means publicity should be you will say earned by the people of the country, and they should also use it against the political parties, so that if the publicity will be drawn up by the any organs, any you will say machineries of the government against the political parties, then there should be the kind of control. Agitation means a kind of the reaction of the people very negatively against the political party, so that there will be the control, and even there is a kind of a fear of the people against the parties. Then pressure groups should be also generate their movement group also you will say present there, and the media should be also present there, because pressure groups they can pressurize the political parties, and they can also you will say pressurize the government also to make the such laws which has been raised by the pressure groups time to time, because mostly the times the opposition party, if it is not very powerful, as you have seen in present time, Congress party as a opposition party is not very powerful group. So these steps taken by the pressure groups to pressurize the government to just bring the kind of effective laws for the betterment of the country. Then movement groups also should also they demonstrate the kind of feelings or the aspiration of the people in the demonstration, in the public rallies, and in such way they just also bring the attention of the government over the such a kind of the interest of the people of the country, so that the government can aware about it. And media is known as a fourth pillar of the democracy. Then media can also generate the kind of good behavior, you will say you will say healthy you will say kind of environment. The media should also generate the healthy environment of the politics in the country, because democracy, if it is not very we will say effective, then the obviously the political parties they have the kind of all responsibility to just carry the democracy of the country, and it must be in the hand of all the kind of organs, all the peoples. Thoughtful and reforms minded people should join the politics, because we have seen and you have seen also that many of the areas in the country, where many of the parties in the country where the reform minded people, the talented people, the thoughtful people are not interested to joining the party, because there is a fear if they join the parties they can get the kind of many of the kind of avails in themselves, within themselves. So there is a kind of this tendency. If the thoughtful people can join the parties, if the effective people will join the party, if the minded people join the parties, then they have a lot of potential to criticize the political parties, and in such a way the political parties have the fear from these type of the people, this type of the will say group, because they know very well if they are not very active, then this group will be active, and they can criticize all the you will say interest, all the steps, all the you will say declaration which has been made by the political parties at the time of elections. So I think these are the good suggestions, and if any suggestion which can improve the parties more effective, the party have the responsibility to just maintain the good democratic principle in the country. So if any kind of the suggestions you can share with me, and in the present time scenario if any kind of the other suggestions if you are feeling, obviously you should send to me, and it must be will say inculcated in my video lecture also. I will welcome all these suggestions. So hope a student enjoy this video lecture, and it will help you to understand these kind of the reforms and the suggestions, and thank you to listen me and watching me.